Does your toilet sound like it's leaking, hissing, dripping, or flushing? Today I'll show you how to silence that running toilet. Start by removing the lid to the tank. Some toilet plumbing parts look different from each other, but they all work basically the same way. The main parts are the fill valve, float or float ball, refill tube, overflow tube which goes to the bowl, flapper, chain, and handle. The flapper is basically a big seal that holds the water in the tank. When you press down on the handle, an arm with the chain pulls up on the flapper, which releases the water in the tank into the bowl. A common problem for a running toilet is the flapper. If the flapper is old, it is possible that it is worn out and warped, not creating a perfect seal, thus allowing small amounts of water to enter the bowl. That sound your toilet is making is the fill valve, adding more water to the tank as it leaks into the bowl. Mineral deposits could also build up on the flapper ring. A good cleaning could solve the problem. Before checking the flapper, turn off the water to the toilet and flush the water out of the tank. Once cleaned or replaced, turn the water supply back on. Let the tank fill back up and then listen for the sound of water running. Also, make sure that the chain adjustment is not too long or short. Too long and the tank will not empty completely or get caught up in the flapper. Too short and the flapper will not fit flush, allowing water to run through. Another thing to check is the water level. If it is set too high, water will flow into the overflow tube. The overflow tube has a water level line to show the maximum amount of water for the tank. The float arm has an adjustment screw that can raise or lower the water level in the tank. To lower the water, turn the screw to the left until the water reaches the bottom of the water fill line. After you have made the adjustment, flush the toilet and allow it to refill to confirm the right amount of water in the bowl. If the water is still running, the float cap assembly may be clogged. To clean the cap, start by turning off the water supply. To remove, pull up on the float arm while pushing down and rotating the cap to the left or counterclockwise until it releases. If it is too tight to turn, hold the fill valve firmly at the bottom, below the float while you turn the cap. Clean the mineral deposit buildup on the valve and the seal that is located under the cap. While you're at it, flush out that valve as well. Place a cup over the valve so you don't get sprayed. Turn the water supply back on and flush the valve for a few seconds before turning the water supply back off. Replace the cap assembly and turn the water back on. If the problem persists, you may need to replace the fill valve. Refer to the label inside the tank to find the correct parts for your toilet. Hope this helps stop that running toilet while saving gallons of water at the same time. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos from Show and Tell.